Okay, boys and girls, let's show the owls again. You know where we are. Pyrodudes Fireworks. Falling Waters, West Virginia. Take a look at some of our new products. Some of the best returning products we got. Parademon shells, kick-ass artillery, Supernova 6-packs, Pyro Nation jawbreakers, salute to the flag. New this year, Kingslayer artillery. We got 24 shot packs and 12 canister packs. Lots of great ball shells. Ball shells are getting harder and harder to find, especially good ones. So we got fully stocked. Target engaged, front lines, looks dangerous. Those all have a tail on them. They absolutely look great going up. People see them at night, and then they explode in a wonderful circumference of a blast. They're beautiful. Anyway, this Mighty Magnum is 12 shots, and they are beautiful too. They also have a tail. Top shelf by Dominator. The hammer. Top shelf double breakers. We got Dominator Killer quads. 4-break shells. Crackling festival balls, depth alone, nice mine to a break. One of the best values right here, 12 pack for $15.95. We added we added a center aisle this year. We got the Eliminator, the Beast, 104 breaks in that baby. Gauntlet. Got a bunch of different 2s, 3s. This one's got singles, doubles, triples. Goliath by World Class. A lot of those. Those are nice tubes. Same Excalibur tubes. Let's walk on over here. A couple discounted things. This right here. American Gold, Minutemen, and Absolute Despotism. Those are our 3 hand-picked. We brought them in under the Independence Fireworks brand. That's our brand. No one else has these cakes. They're the only place you're going to find them. They're not just rewraps. They're specifically made for us. They're beautiful. Try them out. 500 gram owl. All the way down, all the way back up. Anybody wants to know a certain price, you have to just email me at chucks@pyrodudes.com and I can give you prices. This is a brand new cake, looks great, really neat, bunch of unique effects. It's got mines, falling leaves, and swarming stars. So look, little bees up in the sky. Some great new, brand new Dominator 500 gram cakes they just brought in. Shock Treatment's new this year. Thrasher's new this year. Fanatic Fireworks is new this year. They're all brand new to Maddox, bringing them in. Some great ones like Watermelon Moonshine. And we got our Parademon line here. Lots of great Parademon cakes. Hard hitting. I don't know if anybody shot any of these Skull Crusher, Devil's Playground, and Pyro Appetite. These are still last year's. We bought a whole bunch of them. I seen this year's on video. They do not look the same. Believe me, you got to get these ones. Zombie Slayer's a great cake. Great cake. Thunderstruck. All the other great Parademon line. Mongolian still hits really hard. I'm not sure if Knucking Futz is going to be as good this year. We ran out of that. We have it ordered, but we'll see how good it comes in. Bunch of Bright Star. These are great for a show if anybody shoots like pyro musicals. Keep everything the same color. Fisherman cakes, hitting hard. Here's another fisherman. The most wanted. This cake is huge, fellas. Look at this. Look how long and big this cake is. It keeps going and going. It's huge. Here we go. You know what these are? Zipper cakes, 1-1s. That breaking news comes 2-1. Look at this thing. Stampede. It is huge. Huge. 104 shot. There's the performance. It's absolutely one of our biggest cakes. Touch of Gold. It's new this year. 119 shot. We got a bunch of 9-on boards coming yet. Couple clearance things. Laugh out loud. Here's our 200-gram owl. Most of those ones on the top row you see are all $10 and under. You know, the middle rows anywhere from, I don't know, 17 to 10. The bottom rows 15 to 20. There ain't nothing more than 20 probably. Some great cakes though. Here's the new effect. Beautiful silk lacy effect coming out this year. Silk and Sky. They are in stock, ready to be shot. Great looking effect. Look it up. It's great. How about anybody having a girl or boy baby out there for a gender reveal? We got lots of stuff like that. Metal Storm's a new cake this year. Addicted is a new fan cake this year. 200-gram, 18 shot. One of my favorite ones is this Dominator cake called Hell's Gate. 15 shot, shoots at an angle, fan shot, $9.95. Can't go wrong with that. Of course, we got SMBs. Everybody likes shooting those. 750 shot ones down there. Keller Tail, Happy. Oh, we got all kind of parachutes here. Different parachutes. These are the newest Princely parachutes. So it's for daytime use. It has 5 smoke comets as it goes up and then 4 smoke parachutes as it comes down. Same thing with the Princess. Daytime use. So they're blue, they're pink. Big Mammoth Day parachutes. Paratroopers. June Bugs, B-3 Bombers, Buzz Killers, Rockets, Roman Candles. We got lots of Roman candles to choose from. A couple of big boys down there. There's a window one, there's a Dominator one. Probably getting a Pyrodemon one too. Not sure if anybody's seen these yet, but these Maddox Sunring. Absolutely loud, huge brakes. There's the effect. Huge brakes. In fact, the CPSC is testing ours right now, and I'm pretty sure it's going to fail. Anyway, here are our gender reveal items. We got some boy and girl smoke. It's a girl, it's a boy. We got the parachutes over here too. We got pink confetti cannons, multicolor ones. We got wedding confetti poppers, wedding sparklers. One's bamboo, one's metal. Star, hearts, kids backpack. If you haven't tried these yet, these are great. Little party poppers, pop it in there, pull the trigger, shoots confetti out. We got the refills. Everybody likes a little dirty dog. Bunch of kids, good stuff for the kids. Tanks, trucks, boats, planes. When you gotta go, you gotta go. Fire, color changer, light up balloons we got this year. And if you're ready for a party, you come here, we'll supply the whole thing. You got all kind of smoke, 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 sparklers, 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 all kind of stuff. Turn around here. We got one more drawer empty, or one more space right here empty. Our window container's on the water. Should be here in 2 weeks. Lots of good fountains coming from window. We already have lots of good Dominator, Maddox, Shogun, Bigs, window. My daughter's favorite one, snow cone right there. Looks like a snow cone. Lasts a nice long time. Haunted house is great for around Halloween. It lights up the house. See these lines? Lots of good kids family packs. Firecrackers. M150s. M90s. M200. Dominator, extra loud. Cracker. Performance is. Let me get that to focus. I don't know why it ain't focusing. It says looks like dynamite, and with over 200 firecrackers, it sounds like it as well. So there's 200 firecrackers that go off pretty much at once in a chain. Cherry Bomb brand. Flash Salute supercharged firecrackers. Really nice. Half bricks. We got Pyrodemon full bricks, half bricks, Maddox full bricks, half bricks. These are new this year to us. These are the Maddox 10 packs of 200. I always like the 200 best myself. A nice long pack. Instead of just shooting 16, is shooting 200 at a time. Then you step up to 1,000, 2,000, 4,000, 8,000, 16,000. It's never ending. Anyway, again, we're at Pyrodudes Fireworks in Falling Waters, West Virginia. Got any questions, just contact me. Thanks a lot for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.